I think both countries can place a lot of damage on each other. Hopefully it doesn't go there. Hopefully this is just contained to a trade negotiation. The last thing anybody wants is a financial war. We will both be harmed by a financial war, and a financial war meaning they selling their treasuries.
Do you think that's a possibility?
Sure. If their economy comes unglued, and I'm not saying it will, if, there's always rumors about $7 trillion of debt that could explode. If they have to do a massive fiscal stimulus, they have no choice but to bring down their reserves. That's what countries do. Would they sell U.S. assets as a defensive action against us? I would think that's going to be their last resort. I think China's just as dependent on Southeast Asia. They're just as dependent on global trade away from the United States. Think about the actions of selling U.S. treasuries. It means their currency rises quite a bit. Right. That would hurt them.
You remember that expression, if you owe the bank $100 grand, if you owe the bank $1 million, you own the bank. It's almost the same thing with China. Right.
But look, I think they are trying to act reasonably. I was there last week. I think they're trying to find a way to resolve this.
In the last 5 years, Larry, have you seen, we talked about this week too, have you seen China sort of take a tougher statist communist role? That's what the Journal in a piece was saying, that she has definitely backtracked on some of the reforms that maybe were made in
or some of the claims that reforms are going to be made. There has been a slowdown in some of the reforms. I believe they still will continue to do the reforms in financial services.
But are we justified in taking a harder line?
Well, it's, we don't...
You got a lot of... He's all over. You got to walk so tenderly on all these things.
I do. But, we all do. I'm not,
Right. But business interests are...
But this is getting back to my corporate letter. Why corporations need to talk about their purpose and what the values they stand for. I believe in this really incredibly transparent world that we're witnessing, in a world that is so connected because of social media. It is more incumbent on corporations to really talk about who they are and what they stand for.
Can I ask a separate question just about the investing world? What do you make of just the rise in robo-advisors and what that's going to ultimately do to your business, one way or the other?
Oh, we have one of the leading robo-advisors in Europe, and we have one of the leading ones here in the United States.